Today I will teach you how to edit or update company information in the automated accounting system, Botkeeping. The first thing you need to do is log in to your account. Type your company name. For example, I will type Water. The name of the software developer, ripacmarketingsolution.com. Then enter. Once you've reached the site, click the login button. Fill in the form with your email and password. Once you've finished filling in, click Sign In. Once you've entered, we can start editing the company information. Go to the company module on the left side. Click the company module. After clicking, an empty field will appear. At the above portion you will see two options: individual and non-individual. Click the individual if the business is run by a single person, and non-individual if the business is run by a group. This business is run by a single person, so I will click the individual. The remaining field in the above portion requires personal information about the owner. This includes the owner's last name, first name, middle name, gender, civil status, and spouse. While the bottom portion needs information pertaining to the business: the business name, its address, business ID, the city and country where the business is located, the type of business, zip code, RDO code, branch code, TIN number, fax, phone number and its email ID. Once you're done, click the Save button. After filling in the field, a piece of information will appear. It informs the user that the operation that is taken is successful. Thank you for watching the video. For more videos about the automated accounting system, Botkeeping, click the subscribe button below, or you can visit us on our website and Facebook page in the link that is shown. Have a good day ahead.